Hi guys, welcome back to the Puro Fail Show. Hope all of you are having a great day. We are going to try and make it a little bit better with today's show as we have 3 segments full of the funniest scare pranks. And we're going to start with a favourite among many of you, the air horn pranks. Let's check them out.
Good morning!
What?
Oh my god! You look good.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Look at it sparring.
Thanks you.
Whoa!
What up, Graham?
And you know, another thing that really pissed with
What is that right there? Fucking fat piece of shit. Fucking ass motherfucking shit. Oh my god. What the? Oh my god. Really? Oh, dude. Oh, hey now! Yes!
So what else were you?
I know some of you don't like the air horn pranks, but come on, the reactions are so funny. I personally love them. If you guys want to get an air horn like those, we are going to leave an Amazon link in the description down below. Now for the next segment, we have a classic, the Mums Being Scared collection. Let's check them out.
Good morning, Karen!
I'm sorry.
Hello, hold your horses. Hi!
Max! اسم الصليب يبعث لك فز. Max! Mom. Oh, Jesus! 3 nights in Tralee.
Jingle. Ah! Ganz schön windig. Big.
Oh, yeah.
Guten Morgen.
Mums are the funniest people to scare. I love Max's pranks on his mum and her reactions. Just amazing. It is time for the last segment for today's show. The favourite ones. Let's check them out.
Orange. Oh, she gets his cold body.
Hey!
Gosh.
So now you're stuck 8 hours. Oh
Shit, watch out, watch out. Oh my
Hands.
What you doing, Smith? No, for real, what you doing?
Dude, like right now. Oh, Jesus!
Jesus Christ!
This one that go came out.
What are you doing?
Oh, Jesus, now.
Yeah.
Oh, you mother.
Manual!
Well guys, that was all for today's show. If you liked the video, then please leave a like as that would help us out a lot. And also guys, we would really appreciate it if you can follow us on Twitter. The link will be in the description of the video. Have a great day.